KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
This is the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, November 10th, 2018. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin sending in for Brian Peters. While your Saturday may be a beautiful one out there today with plenty of sunshine, it will be a cruel trick as today will be very cool with a north wind. We'll take a look at the forecast in just a minute or two. As of 6:10 this morning, skies across much of north and central Alabama are mostly clear, but we do have some clouds streaming across the southern half of the area, but those will be in the process of dissipating throughout the morning. Temperatures across the area are in the upper 20s to the lower 40s from north to south. Birmingham was right at the freezing mark at 32 degrees, while the coldest reading was 28 degrees at Haleyville and at Decatur. The warm spot was Eufaula at 43 degrees. A freeze warning continues this morning until 8 a.m. for Calhoun, Clay, Claiborne, Randolph, St. Clair, and Talladega counties, while all of the North Alabama counties are under the warning until 9 a.m. A freeze watch goes into effect later this evening at 6 p.m. for Blount, Cherokee, Etowah, Fayette, Lamar, Marion, Walker, and Winston counties, while Calhoun, Clay, Claiborne, Jefferson, Pickens, Randolph, Shelby, St. Clair, Talladega, and Tuscaloosa go under the watch starting at midnight tonight. The watch is set to expire at 8 a.m. Sunday morning. Now we take a look at the models for today through next weekend, and we'll start off with the 060 run of the GFS, valid at 12 o'clock this afternoon. We have a zonal flow across the southeast today, with a high stationed off to our northwest near the Mississippi River in southeastern Missouri. That means for today we'll have plenty of sunshine with cool, dry continental air flowing into the state, keeping our highs down in the lower 40s to the lower 50s across central Alabama from the northwest to the southeast. Winds will be out of the north at 5 to 15 miles per hour, helping to make it feel even cooler. Skies will be clear for tonight, and we can expect widespread frost across much of the area. Overnight lows will dip down into the upper 20s to the upper 30s, with a few of the colder spots possibly getting close to the teens. On Sunday, a trough is starting to build out over the Four Corner states, but the flow for us remains nearly flat. There will be a low forming just off of the southern Texas Gulf Coast that will be sending moisture up in our direction. Skies will start off clear, but clouds will begin to move in starting late in the morning and continue through the day. We could start to see an isolated shower or two throughout the afternoon and early evening hours, but higher rain chances will move in during the late night and overnight hours. Afternoon highs will be in the upper 40s to the upper 50s, and lows will be in the 40s. On Monday, the trough starts to dig in out to our west as it starts to move in our direction. The flow for us will be coming out of the southwest, helping to pull more moisture in over central Alabama. We'll have cloudy skies with rain likely throughout the day. Rain could be heavy at times, and we could see rainfall totals over 1.5 to 2.5 inches for much of central Alabama by midnight. Highs will be in the upper 40s to the upper 50s. On Tuesday, a cold front will be moving through the state that will be bringing a reinforcing shot of colder air. Rain will be moving out early, but skies may take a while before starting to clear out late in the day. Highs will be in the upper 30s to the upper 40s across the area from northwest to southeast. We'll see the coldest temperatures of the season as lows on Wednesday morning are expected to be in the lower 20s to the lower 30s, with colder spots hitting the upper teens. The good news is those afternoon highs will be on the increase for Wednesday through Friday, along with a chance to dry out for a few days. We'll have plenty of sunshine each day with highs in the upper 40s to the lower 50s on Wednesday, warming into the mid to the upper 50s on Thursday, and reaching the upper 50s to the lower 60s on Friday. And taking just a quick peek into Voodoo Land for next weekend, Both Saturday and Sunday appear to be dry at this point with highs in the 50s. Taking a quick look at the tropics, we have a tropical wave that has formed during the overnight hours a few hundred miles to the east of the Lesser Antilles. Conditions are not favorable for any development at this time, but by the middle of next week, those conditions will become a little more favorable for some tropical or subtropical development as it moves west-northwest. Just remember, the Atlantic hurricane season doesn't end until the end of the month. The rest of the Atlantic basin is quiet at this time. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video for today. We'll have notes on the blog throughout the day today. Bill Murray will have your next video out bright and early tomorrow morning. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin. Have a great day and God bless.